Hey Woodies, how are you all? Hope you're all keeping safe in these COVID times. I just thought I'd give you a quick tour of my shed and show you what I've got. So let's do it. I'll start off with showing you what I'm currently doing. It's going to be a hallway table made out of red gum. I'm just carving the north, south, west and east compass on it. Got some coordinates in each end. It'll take you to a Pacific's place. I'm also going to put a border around this table. As you can see, I've just sort of started there. Willis doesn't realise it yet, but when our club rooms open up, he's going to help me finish it off. So beware Willis. Another job I've got going here is this hue and pine box. I made it some time ago, but I'm converting it to a music box for my granddaughter. I bought this one here just to get the mechanism, but it's too cheap and it's no good, so I'm buying another one off eBay and I'm just waiting for it to arrive. And I might carve a different ballerina, I'm not sure. But yeah, that's what I've been doing that for quite some time. Also over here, there's an old electric bike I'm working on, slowly getting it going. My heater. I've been bought some wood turning chisels, a 3/4 gouge, 1/2 inch spindle, parting tool, and a 1 inch oval skew. And I also made these ones. It's a sugar gum handle, stainless steel ferrule with a carbide insert. And this parting off tool here, but I'm not having a lot of success with it. I don't think I've got it sharpened correctly, so if someone could give me an idea how it should be sharpened, I think that'd be make it a lot better tool to use. That'd be appreciated. I've got this one here. I've got to make a handle for that yet. So that's what I've been at over the last few weeks, is making those, keep myself busy. I've got a stand-up carving board here for when I'm sick of sitting down. I can put my piece on that rail there and stand up and carve for a while. Just helps with the aches and pains of sitting down for too long. Got my Workzone Lathe here. You can see where I've been practicing the turning. Not real happy with it. Little bandsaw, all from Aldi, and that little belt sander there. So that's my shed. That's where I spend quite a bit of time. Got any questions? Please give us a call if you want to know something. If not, I'll see you all at the club rooms when they open up. Thank you.